Hello again, welcome to my channel. Lucky Bamboo. Today we're gonna do a Vietnamese inspired caramelized braised catfish. What I have here, I have about 3 pounds of catfish that been skinned and cut into pieces already. About 3 pounds of catfish. And yeah, today we're gonna do a caramelized braised catfish. So you need some minced garlic, 3-4 cloves of minced garlic, some dry fried shallot. You can buy this from a Vietnamese store, fried shallot, some chop up Thai chili pepper, about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, about 5 tablespoons of sugar, about a teaspoon of ground up pepper, about a teaspoon of black soy sauce, some chop up green onions, and chop up cilantro, and a can of natural coconut flavor soda called Coco Rico, a can of that. Well, let's start cooking. Put in a couple teaspoons of oil. Alright, when the pan is hot, now put in the minced garlic. Stir fry until it's turned brown a little bit. Now put in the fried shallot. Alright, put in the sugar, reduce heat a little bit, put in the fish sauce. Put in the black soy sauce. Put in the Thai chili, the ground pepper, now put in the catfish. kind of mix it so that it will absorb all the ingredients. Let it absorb all the ingredients. Put a lid on and let it cook about 4 minutes. Alright. I stir it a little bit so that make sure that all the ingredient and the catfish absorb all the ingredient in. Now after about 4 minutes, it should look 4 or 5 minutes. It should look like this. See that the catfish really turned like brown. It should absorb all the ingredients in there. Now it's time to put in a can of this Coco Rico. That's a natural coconut flavor soda. So just put a can in there. Pour a can in there. Alright. Now let the catfish let it braise in this ingredient right here for about half an hour or so to bring it to a boil, really boil, and then turn the stove to medium and just let it simmer for about half an hour, and let the catfish braise in it. Okay, after about half an hour of simmer in the pot, most of the liquid all evaporated. So you see it start to caramelize now. The catfish is turning really brown, caramelizing the catfish now. And it's time to add the green onions. Some chopped up green onion scallion, just toss it in there. Okay. Most of the liquid all evaporated now, and just let it simmer for a few more minutes. That's it, and should be done. Okay, I think it's done now. Look at beautiful. Let's plate it up. Alright, this is the final product. Gonna put a lot of cilantro on the top. Gonna sprinkle a little cilantro on the top. So this is the final product. Vietnamese inspired caramelized braised catfish. So this is the final product. Maybe you should give it a try. This is a very famous Vietnamese recipe. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and please give a thumbs up, and please support this channel by subscribing. And thank you very much for watching, for spending time watching Lucky Bamboo. And gonna be more recipe to come every week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.